I've had a lot of people ask me about how to get their Messenger bot lead generating machine to integrate with Google Sheets so that they can export those leads over to their CRM or to, Constant Contact or whatever other kind of automations that they're using. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can get those results from your chatbot over to Google Sheets, where the world is wide open, and now you can access those leads from anywhere on multiple devices, even your phone. So let's go ahead and jump right in and do that. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Settings, and down here in the bottom area you'll see Extensions, and that's where you're going to find the Integrations button. So this is the first thing you'll want to do. At the very top, connect Google Sheets account. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect mine right now, just so I can show you how to connect it. So connect Google Sheets account. So what I do is I click this button, and then I choose my own Google Sheet account, and I hit allow. And look at that, just like that, I'm integrated with Google Sheets. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to your Google Sheets and create a blank one. So now this is where you're going to put your headings. And I start with user ID, date opted in, then I go first, last, phone, email, and now let's go look at those last three those three qualifying questions in our chatbot. So let's go over to our automations, our simple lead gen mortgage lead generating chatbot. And what we're going to want to do is create fields that correspond with these three qualifying questions. So we'll go in here and click into, first we got to hit edit flow. So we hit edit flow and we come in here to the first question, and you can see the first question is number of occupants. So number of occupants, let's go ahead and put that in there. The second question, oops, I just deleted that accidentally. There we go. The second question is income. And you can see this when you click into the box where you can edit that text and the buttons. It's right here. Save response to a custom field named income. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create income. Right there. Now we got one more. And it's going to be credit, right? So I click into this box, I see this, the user input opened up, and I can see credit. So let's go ahead and put credit. There we go. Now, just for fun, I always want to highlight these fields, and then I'm going to place a border around them all, and I'm going to do this thing where I go view and freeze. Freeze, number one row. And the reason I do that is so that no matter what number of the lead I'm on, I can always see what the header is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to integrate this Google spreadsheet with our bot so that everything populates. And I'm just going to put, so there it is. Now let's go back to edit content. Let's click out of here by clicking anywhere in the blank or background. And since we're still in the edit mode, all we've got to do is come over here to the action box, click into it, and then hit plus action. Now let's see here. We're going to scroll down here to where we see Google Sheets actions. Okay, so we're going to hit Google Sheet action, and we're going to select an action now. We're going to want to go ahead and insert that row. Now we're going to select a spreadsheet. Because my integration is complete, I should be able to go in there, and there it is, sample leads. Now it's going to ask me to select a worksheet. Now I didn't name the tab down at the bottom, but I could have. So right now it's just named Sheet 1. And here you can see there's the Google column titles. It pulled it right in. What a cool software, right? So now the ManyChat data is going to be user ID. So I just start to type in user, and look, user ID pops up as a system field. So I'll definitely want to grab that, and then I click out of that box by clicking into the area outside of it. Then I click into this box, and now date opted in is called subscribed. So just start to type subscribed, and you'll get that date that they opted in. Then click out of there. Then we go ahead and type in F for first name and click out. And you get the idea, right? So now we're just marrying up these fields with our Google column titles. Now we're going to go to phone, and there it is, system field phone. And now we're going to go email. So let's go ahead and use that custom user field, email. Click in there. Now we're going to go number occupants. There we go. Income. And credit. Whoops. Got to spell it right though. Credit. There we go. Now we've got all of our fields integrated. So everything is going to go from ManyChat to Google column titles. Awesome. Now what we can do is we can try it out. Let's go ahead and hit preview. Send a messenger. It's me. To get the most accurate information, how many people? 5. Just going to go ahead and whip through this. Okay, so that's it. We've now given the chatbot our email and phone number as well as answers to our 3 qualifying questions, and now we're offered the opportunity to live chat or set an appointment. But at this point, a long form lead should be created in your Google Sheet. So let's go take a look. And there it is. There's my Facebook user ID, the date that I opted in, my first, my last, my phone number, my email, and the number of occupants in my family, the income that I reported, and my credit score that I self-reported. So that's it. It's as simple as that to go ahead and export those leads out of ManyChat and into your Google Sheet. Now, understand that these records are very valuable. You can create custom audiences from these records, and of course, you're building your list of people who are interested in your offer. Even if they didn't buy right now, they're still potential prospects, and you should definitely be following up with them by giving them excellent content that helps educate them, inspire them, and motivate them to take action with you. So, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions.